In the house of
Okay.
in the house of fish and alligator. Turtle.
Big alligator.
Wow.
Mama, nag-load na ako na alligator. Nakain yun, tami.
Nakain yung tummy. Tapos,
Wala. Ang laki. Nakita ko, ang laki na niya. Palapwet. And this is
what?
Ay, sa mall may playground yata dun.
Oh,
Papa.
Hi, Papa.
And this is Mama. And this is Ate Polat. And that is the people of the
That is Aika.
people ng home.
Show you.
Now we all pagod.
We are pagod.
And but we see the alligator. Let's find alligator. And now
Nalog ang cellphone.
second is
Where's the fish? That is Manong. What's that? Anong ginagawa ni Manong?
Naguli na alligator.
Kaya niya huli yung alligator?
Opo.
Ang liit naman ng panghuli ng alligator niya. Wow.
Nahuli siya na. It's a fish. Now let's go into the forest.
In the forest?
Yes.
Oh, say bye.
No.
No?
Bye.
Not yet?
Tara.
Tara na, Aika. Let's go now. Let's go video. Yes, no, 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 no.
Oh, video.